香港球迷真係支持啦，入場人數超過6000人啊！咁啊，吳偉超呢場呢就係坐鎮啊喺中路。咁啊，因為巴林呢個排名比香港呢高成啦60名以上啊。咁啊，前邊呢李威廉呢就肯定喺前線啦。咁後邊呢都打重咗。咁啊，至於呢個巴林呢，睇睇佢哋嘅法達迪帶領之下呢，今日情況如何啦？咁啊，巴林喺亞洲排名係第9位啊。咁啊，觀眾席上呢見到戴維斯啊，呢位荷蘭國腳咧，而家已經退咗噶啦。咁啊，最近呢係啱啱係踢完呢個亞積斯啦。我哋上屆睇亞積斯嘅賽事都見佢啊。咁啊，講名氣佢係大啦，世界盃、歐洲國家盃咩大賽都踢過噶啦。阿羅生聽話想揾佢咧係打賀歲波，不過要5萬蚊美金喎嚇。好啦，一開波冇耐咧就先輸第一球啊。咁啊，伊斯美爾呢球波咧喺10分鐘咧替巴林咧係入波。咁啊，好明顯咧，當時咧香港隊嘅防守咧就出現有啲漏洞啊。咁啊，唔關張翠輝事㗎，個波放落嚟咧後衞解圍唔到，一漏過嚟咧，伊斯美爾就把握到啦。嗱，呢個好簡單而直接嘅攻勢。嗱，個波過咗高尼路啦，咁呢邊咧係李朝包埋嚟咧，又搶唔到喎，唉，咁啊弊家伙啦，咁啊導致伊斯美爾咧輕輕一趟入網啊，只係10分鐘巴林領先1-0啦。
個防守都係有責任，但係呢個波咧進攻實在亦都係幾靚啊！咁啊第一滴地咧過咗，我哋見到咧撳入去伊斯美爾呢個波啊，相當有功架㗎，輕輕一撳咧係遠處。咁啊張聰輝已經嘗試出嚟封啦，但係就係冇辦法封到遠處。咁啊面對住咧係實力高都幾多嘅巴林啦，其實香港隊咧都明白，希望咧盡量做好啲嘅啫。咁啊起碼咧打啲爭氣波俾6000幾嘅球迷睇波啦嚇，真係好耐未見過啦，大球場有咁多球迷捧香港場㗎啦。係啊，呢個波係咪2-0啊？咁啊睇佢手勢咧，知道咧已經係食咗啊炸糊越位嘅。又再一次咧係打最前嘅呢個咧係伊斯美爾。喺中路突破腳法相當好嘅巴林呢班球員，咁啊伊斯美爾一路睄住個波，稍稍咧就唔會意咧，原來自己係突咗出嚟，但係其實咧突出嚟咧係好少嘅啫。咁咧亞洲杯裏邊啦，香港隊因為要同日本啦、巴林啦同埋也門同組，咁啊其實咧就係知道出線嘅機會就唔大嘅，但係都希望有個好開始，因為呢場啦係佢哋嘅第1場比賽嚟㗎嚇。
咁呢場賽事香港隊咧知道巴林犀利咧，已經打緊個防守㗎啦。咁但係咧巴林咧進攻節奏真係快啊！呢球波高尼路咧飛到盡啦，係踩唔到隊友咧解圍出嚟都唔掂啊！俾呢個法達迪咧係搞掂啊！咁啊其實高尼路底下已經飛埋去咧係阻止底線嘅球員咧出波，但依然俾佢出到，咁啊冇計啦！咁你睇到咧呢個巴林真係行軍迅速㗎。咁啊張建峰包埋嚟咧係頭槌解圍，咁啊但係咧係。都係俾對方咧係解圍到啦。阿里呢個波咧係出得到啦，張建峰頭槌燙翻出嚟，中間冇晒呢個紅衫啊，就俾呢個法達迪咧係搞掂啦。咁其實呢場賽事咧喺防守方面咧，香港用咗卓卓啦、高尼路啦，加埋喺防中劉全坤啦，咁仲有吳偉超，咁但係似乎咧都係抵禦唔到巴林嘅進攻啊。
咁啊唯有睇下寄望小將啦，有啲表現嚟睇下啦。歐陽耀聰啊喺呢個右路位置送埋中間咧，陳宏飛都真係頂到，咁但係過唔到手龍門咧係沙比嘅。半場咧，球迷咧仲係都係相當係興奮嘅嚇，睇緊波。咁另外戴維斯都令到記者們好興奮喎。問下佢對於呢場波半場點睇先
？This is the first time I see the match, but thank you for welcoming me. But it was nice, but this game, the guys they told me this is the first game, and also the difference in power is very noticeable. So yeah, it's going to be very hard for Hong Kong.
咁戴維斯咧係都中肯啊！咁啊，其實經過上半場睇嚟咧，香港隊真係比較難應付啊！咁啊，去到呢個中段啦，咁啊見到呢個查宏飛咧被調離場啊，咁啊換入呢個鄭少偉啊，當時咧就係65分鐘，咁希望咧加強攻力啊！咁啊睇到迪恩咧作為教練咧，佢睇好緊張啦，加上係今次係第1場嘅比賽啊，希望咧係收復失地啦！咁啊睇睇法達迪。一支豬角頭，龍門口呢球波射埋，張忠輝救到，咁啊照計咧，呢伊斯美爾一射嘅時候咧入波應該越位啦，冇錯啊！馬來西亞籍嘅黃正都舉旗啊！咁呢個波因為咧主要咧係佢第一組已經喺呢個越位位置啊，佢自己個架唔係啦嗱，我哋從呢個角度睇睇先啊！嗱啱啱好喺個禁區小禁區角嗰度咧，佢係明顯越位嘅，所以張恩輝個波叉出嚟咧，佢入就一定係有時。你話如果佢唔射嘅，佢走翻出嚟又其他球員入就唔同啊！高能咧係坐度睇咧，都我諗深知道呢場賽事真係盡力而為啦嚇。
係咁啊！喺呢組裏邊咧，希望打到幾場好波一路咧有進步啦。因為其實咧，就算我哋話喺呢組裏邊好似弱少少嘅也門啦，喺呢場波之前啊對日本啊，即係僅輸1-2嘅就嚇，咁可以見到實力方面其實都唔係太差嘅。哇！呢個頭槌真係頂得幾靚喎！亞洲無聲啦，真係搞到入波咧就係阿里啊！ 咁啊呢個波係好近距離，張春輝亦都係冇辦法可以做到任何反應嘅。咁但係值得係欣賞下對手嘅攻擊嘅能力嘅。斬嘅落點咧固然係好靚啊，當時已經係禁區頂啊，但係佢都可以打橫斬到個靚嘅落點。而頂波嘅阿里咧忍住倒力咧，佢主要係將個波咧改變方向啫，唔使加力嘅呢個波，因為已經好近，亦都係突破越位。靚啊！咁啊就係咁啦，頂成3-0咁啊，應該都係大勢要去贏啊，贏梗㗎啦巴林。對香港隊嚟講啦，其實就入場球迷咧都欣賞到香港隊咧都係好勤力啦去防守啦嚇，都有一定拼勁嘅。咁仲有一樣嘢好咧就係、都並冇放棄喎，因為咧最後階段爭取咧就係一個咧係入球得唔得咧？咁第一下咧就壓落去假嘅，你之後放嚟遠處先係真，哇插水式啊，爭啲插到落地咁滯啊！後邊入替嘅咧係鄭少偉真係破蛋喎，追翻1-3，咁啊對於咧係今日入場嘅6000幾球迷嚟講咧，叫做一個幾好嘅安慰嚟㗎嚇。
咁啊，的確係啊！咁呢個波李朝咧出得好嘢啊！嗱，佢咧係一搶過嘅時候咧，同隊友咧係俾咗呢個陳少琪回翻俾佢。咁啊留意喎，當時咧係客身咧想話鏟佢啊，佢唔出啊，佢第一個出可能真俾客身鏟到㗎。咁啊，鄭少偉咧呢個波啊，亦都係冒住俾對方踢嘅危險啦！呢個波得到咁低咧，如果對方隻腳上嚟咧，分鐘咧就係兜頭踢落嚟㗎。嗱，再睇一次啊！李朝叻咗第一下唔出啊，壓你先，跟住咧擠高個波啊！咁啊，亨利仔及時而到，呢個波啱好頂入啊！1-3，咁啊追近接佢嘅紀錄，咁但係當時已經係補時階段㗎啦。咁我諗咧係喺在場球迷嘅支持之下咧，香港隊能夠有翻一球進帳咧，都算係咁㗎啦。哇！到末段咧，香港隊係心紅晒，希望爭取第二個入球添啊！守門員唔出啊！呢個波，哎呀陰公啊！高尼路上嚟咧閃一閃個波啊！如果高尼路唔係閃線咧，有可能咧邵琪到都唔頂啊！呢個波。咁但係未知之數啊！咁事實咧就係個閃線之後咧，邵琪咧就係改變咗嗰個球嘅節奏，所以係揩唔到個波。咁而最終呢場賽事咧係巴林作香港咧係3-1擊敗咗香港隊㗎。咁但係從賽事所見咧，巴林嘅實力咧的確係比香港為高啊！咁香港能夠有一球咧，亦都算係有所交代㗎啦。最後咧，我哋訪問過亨利仔咧同埋雙方嘅教練。
興奮啦！其實嗰一刻都冇諗過啲咩，即係盡力去踢，希望拉翻近接近嘅比數。咁去到嗰刻，即係成隊波阿志豪又冚上嚟，高尼路又冚上嚟，即係我哋每一個球員都冇放棄過每一次進攻咯。就算俾人捱打，你見到成場都我哋都盡力去表現咯。我覺得佢哋最大功勞咯，即係我哋隊友。
Playing in Yemen is most difficult game than play anywhere in our group. They are very tough, the pollution is very high, the weather is very bad, so they never lose game at home in the last, I think, couple of years, I think maybe 4 years. So it will be a very difficult game for us, but like what I say, we need to learn something from this qualification and get ready, because this program need be maybe 2-3 years, then later on, when we get some young player, then we can have a better and better Hong Kong team.
Second half was 2-0 for us, and our players came on the field like they hope that the game is over, and the Hong Kong team was thinking that they have chance, and exactly now for us was very interesting third goal, but it was 2-0, and after this moment when Hong Kong scored 1 goal, maybe they prepare a lot of troubles. I am not satisfied with second half.